Meanwhile, a mask mandate returns to Kansas City, Missouri on Monday. Mayor Quinton Lucas made this announcement Wednesday following the CDC's latest guidance as the Delta variant runs rampant in our area. Everyone 5 years old and older will have to wear a mask in indoor public spaces, even if they're vaccinated. Well, the mask rules will last through at least August 28th. Meanwhile, some Kansas City businesses are already starting to ease their customers into the restrictions days before they go into effect. Well, at Uptown and the Crossroads, managers added signs recommending customers to wear the mask ahead of time. They say that they trust the city's decision and they'll enforce it come Monday. They don't expect this to get in the way of customers enjoying themselves at the bar.
We've had 16 months now to figure out how to have fun while wearing a mask. We're really good at it, and we can still show everybody a good time.
We all are a little fatigued and burnt out, but at the end of the day, if it's about public health and public safety, then that's the right decision.
And although it is not included in the mandate, the managers there at Uptown say that they're going to keep an eye on capacity at their bar. They say they'll do whatever they can to help keep their customers safe. And then outside the city limits, Jackson County health leaders are encouraging everyone, unvaccinated or not, to wear a mask. There's no mandate in place right now. And then in Independence, masks are required in all city buildings starting today, even if you are vaccinated. Also, masks are going to be required in Kansas's state buildings starting Monday for workers and guests who cannot socially distance. Governor Laura Kelly says that low vaccination rates and the more contagious Delta variant forced her hand.
I'm as frustrated as any other vaccinated Kansan. I feel like I did my part, and one of the rewards of that was not having to wear a mask. But that option has now been taken away.
And local health experts say that masking up is the right move right now. Doctors at the University of Kansas Health System say this doesn't mean the vaccines are not effective. The main goal of the shot is to prevent severe disease, death, and hospitalizations. They stress that the Delta variant is providing a new challenge and that masks provide another layer of protection.
These are things we should all be concerned about because what it tells us is we're in the highest risk areas. So all the information the CDC is saying to us is right. Wear your masks, think about distancing, get yourself vaccinated, stay safe.
Well, right now, the health system is treating 36 patients with active COVID-19 infections. 16 of those patients are in the ICU. Doctors say that almost all of them are unvaccinated. Meanwhile, in Kansas, a Johnson County judge rules that a pandemic-related law is still unconstitutional. He responded to a request from the state attorney general to stop a previous ruling. Earlier this spring, Senate Bill 40 let parents call emergency school board meetings challenging mask mandates in their child's school. A couple sued the Shawnee Mission schools over their pandemic safety rules, but a judge ruled that the new law created, quote, legal anarchy and declared it, quote, unenforceable. And as you know, pandemic situation is changing a lot, changes every day, and we are here to help you. I want you to know that for the latest case numbers and where to get your vaccine, just go to KMBC.com and click the coronavirus tab.